Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss the few questions of signals, few questions which are used to come in gates or type of questions, gate type questions. Okay. So I am just solving the questions. So first we are going to solve it. It came in gate 2014. Okay. So there is a figure given, there is a diagram given here, and you are asked to give the proper expression for it or proper mathematical equation for it. So how we are going to solve this? So let's start. Okay. So first I am just to draw the diagram. The diagram was like this. There is a unit step start from here and it goes up to time period t, and then a ramp is occurring from time period t, and this ramp goes up to, it reaches the magnitude 1 at time period 2t, and then we are getting again a step signal and it is continuing in this way. So this is the signal we want to get the mathematical expression of it. So this is the time t and this is my function ft with respect to time. So how we are going to solve it? So first, what is given? This is basically nothing but a step function. Okay, so and we know that it is started at 0. So for this portion we can write this is nothing but a u of t. Okay, so this u of t, initially there is a 0, there was nothing here, so from 0 a function u of t is occurring, having a value or magnitude of 1 here. But this u of t continues up to time period capital T. That means at time period capital T, definitely there is a negative u coming. That's why they are cancelling out each other. That means at this part there is a negative ut coming. That's why this part and this part are cancelling each other. Okay, so that means at time t there comes another ut having the same but opposite directional magnitude. Clear? So that we can write it with a sign minus u of t minus capital T, where this is actually appearing, where this discontinuity is appearing, this discontinuity is appearing at t equal to capital T. That's why we are writing it as t minus u of t minus capital T. Okay. Next, what is happening? We are getting a ramp signal here. We used to express the ramp signal with r. And how we express ramp signal? We express with the slope. Okay. So what is the slope of this ramp signal? So at this point we are getting that there is a slope in this direction, in an anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction slope means it is a positive slope. Okay. So we have to put a sign plus. That means the ramp which we will the equation we will write should have a positive slope. So we are giving a plus sign. Okay. Now what is the slope of this ramp? The magnitude is 1 and the distance is t. So the slope is 1 upon capital T. And where the ramp is started? the ramp is started at t equal to capital T. So the value, the function of ramp will be written as t minus capital T. Where the ramp has started, if the ramp started from here, we used to write RT. As the ramp has started from here at capital T, so that means the ramp is at RT minus capital T. Okay. Now this ramp continues up to 2t, t equal to 2t. If no other signal comes here, what happens? This ramp will this signal continues in this direction, but it doesn't happen. There is a unit slope we are getting here. There is a step, this parallel signal to time axis we are getting here. That means this increase of ramp has been checked by some value. Okay, obviously it has been checked by a negative ramp which is having same slope. That's why they are cancelling and having a we are getting a signal which is parallel to the time axis. Okay, so that means at this point a negative ramp is occurring. So that's why this should go, if this ramp is not occurred, this should go on this way. So a negative ramp, that means in a negative ramp means a clockwise direction. This has occurred. That means this ramp should have a negative slope. So we will express this negative slope with a minus sign. And what will be the slope? The slope will be as similar as this ramp. So that's why it has it has been able to negate this ramp. That's why the slope will be obviously 1 upon capital T. Okay. But where the ramp has this slope started, this negative slope, this negative slope started at t equal to 2t. So the ramp should have a function of t minus 2t. Okay. So this is basic expression of ft. This is the basic expression of ft. Clear? Now, in our equations, we didn't get the expression in form of RT. Just look at the equations. So these are the equations. Among them, we couldn't get the ramp functions RT. That means they are expressed in UT form. Okay. So what is relation between RT and UT? The relation between RT and UT is, we know that RT is nothing but T into UT, right? RT is nothing but T into UT. So here we have RT minus capital T. So what it will be? If RT is equal to T into UT, then it will be RT minus capital T will be equal to T minus capital T into U of T minus capital T. Similarly, R T minus 2T will be equal to T minus 2T U of T minus 2T. Okay. Now, we have to substitute these value of R's, these two value of R's in this equation. And if you substitute them, what you are getting? You are getting that it is becoming ut minus u of t minus capital T plus t minus capital T divided by t into ut minus capital T minus of t minus 2t divided by t u t minus 2t. Okay, so if we go look for the these probable answers, we are getting that the first one is the giving me the answer. Okay, so the first one will be your right choice. Thank you. So we will discuss the next question in another video. Thank you.